Her business enterprise was started in 2011. 2 years prior to the establishment of the enterprise, a farm worker, Thandi Mkwena, applied for the renting of the farm from the Department of Rural Development. Her application was successful. She first leased the farm for 5 years, and after 8 years in this male-dominated business, the duration of her lease has since been extended to 30 years. And her passion for forestry gave her the drive to apply for the farm.
Nginabantu kule farm abayi 47 permanent, 15 seasonal workers. Umsebenzi engiwenzako njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngenza forestry, i-agroforestry. La agroforestry yami kusho ukuthi kunezinkomo ezidla ngaphansi kwalezi zihlahla.
Her farm is divided into 3 sections. 350 hectares is for the grazing of her livestock. 300 hectares is for the trees, the core of the business, and 50 hectares for crops. Thandi grows, processes, and sells poles. This is where the processing part takes place. From a distance, you see barbecue stands, what we normally refer to as braai stands, but on a closer look, it's a processing pan where poles are treated before taken to the market.
Sithithela ukuthi zingangena ama-insects. Uthole ukuthi sezibanjwa ama-termites. Uma singelelo muthi lo le crack ebona la ngeke iphinde ichubeke. Bese ziyathatha sezibeka la. Mase sifika la, asisazifaki le ya choke sizifake lapha ya. So sithatha i2 days ukuthi zome.
Chemicals are used for the processing of poles. And like most substances used for processing, they are harmful in one way or another.
Batrainile abantu bemathini banayo first aid, banayo safety. Umuntu makalimala la ngiyazi ukuthi ngizamsa straight e-medical clinic ifike ambulance imuse medical clinic. Sina kusa comply na kukhona. Kanti ke futhi iphinde imbhadale kuba nama report la wenziwayo kuyafika kuzothatha ama report ukuthi ingozi icale njani. Siyakulandela nalowo mgomo loyo. Siyayilandela ne-HACCP.
Ku-community siyakhona ukulekelela abantwana esikolweni sibasize ngama-sanitary towel, nange-uniform, nangezinkuni ukuze bakhona ukupheka. Nakumphakathi siyakhona ukulekelela ngezinkuni, nangama-vegetable. Siphinde silekelela nabantwana abafunda ephakeme njengako-Stellenbosch University ngemali ukubabhadalela.
As a mother, Thandi is empowering her employees. They are trained to become better persons at work and beyond their time at Matsino.
IMatsino futhi yakhona ukusiza abantu bayo. Ngiyabathatha labantu bayofundela ukwenza lesigodo, benza amatafula, benze konke basebenze ngazo zona lesigodo.
Like any other business, the forestry sector is faced with its fair share of challenges, from climate change and rainfall.
Climate change ngoba thina siwisa izihlahla, siyakhona ukuthi uma sicontrola umoya singenza njani. Umoya ngeke siucontrol noma siwisa izihlahla, siyahlala singasiki, singenza omunye umsebenzi ngoba kuba yingozi. Nemvula uma ina kakhulu siyahlala singaprocess ngoba mayina kakhulu imvula ngeke sikhona ukuprocessa ngoba kuzobe sekuba slow ukoma lesigodo.
Poles are not sold without first undergoing quality checks. Thandi has a formal and informal market for her business.
Sinama market futhi ke okunjalo ke wazo lesigodo sisebenza ngali order lokuthi izigodo zethu uma ziphuma ziya kuphi. Siye Rustenburg siyazisa underground mine, eMudikwa mine Rustenburg nginayo na imarket. Ngiphinde futhi ngibe nemarket eNeverland, ngibe nemarket eTimberride. Imarket vele ngasho ukuthi inkumbuke yesigodweni.
Thandi might not have had a formal education, but through her sheer determination, she has a number of certificates under her belt and she sits in decision-making meetings.
I-department yabe seseyangisa nami esikolweni uyowenza i-business management, and then ngayangisa nokuthi izinkomo zami ngizithatha njani ngibuye esikolweni sakhona.
Her love for compost making hasn't faded. She still finds time and space to produce compost without leaving her farm. It is all done here.
I'm sure niyamangala ukuthi le doti lengibeke la yini. Ngenza ngayo i-compost. Njengoba nganitshela ukuthi ngaqala ngaye ngasebenza as a farmer ukuthi ngenza umanyoro. Manyoro wami ngimenza la. Yizo lezi kodwa lezi. Zigayeka zize zibe nje. Ngiyaziphendula mangifika ngale ziba ne-pH 5. Zishise ngibona isisa kangakanani ngiyithathe ngiyise eKomatland ngiyoyithengisa khona.